discover what Bach flower remedies can do for back pain. Bach flower remedies first and foremost treat emotional imbalances like anxiety, fear, stress, or sadness. However, they have another function that isn't as well known, and it's their ability to relieve physical pain related to your emotions, which may affect you more often. Here we'll get to know this little-known power of Bach flower remedies so you can reduce your back pain naturally. What are Bach flower remedies? Bach flower remedies are 38 plant-based essences extracted in different ways depending on the type of plant. They help you balance your emotions naturally, without making you dependent on them or causing side effects. They act gradually, giving your body the push it needs to overcome your feelings of fear, anxiety, resentment, longing, jealousy, guilt, or apathy by itself. Anybody can take Bach flower remedies, even small children or people on medication, as they have no contraindications. How do I take them? It is highly recommended to see a professional therapist schooled in this remedy to personally evaluate your case and decide which flowers are good for your personality, the season of life you're in, and the pain you're experiencing. Since there is no risk if you're wrong, however, you can take the flowers related to your pain and apply them yourself to the affected area. When mixing several together, you can combine up to 7 essences at a time. Use them like this. Oral use, 4 drops, 4 times a day, under your tongue or mixed with water. Topical use, 4 drops, twice a day, applied directly to the affected area or mixed with lotion. Pain. Pain is your body's way of warning you. You should see it as a help, not a punishment, to fix something that's harming you before it becomes a more serious condition. That's why it's a big mistake to just take medicine that will relieve the pain without looking for its origin. Even if there is an injury or inflammation that's causing your back pain, there is always an emotional issue nearby that you should know and treat. Your back is your support and protection in life. Based on that premise, each part of your back should be treated according to your emotions. Neck pain. When it comes to neck pain, it's related to the emotional support that we give and receive. In this case, the following flowers can help. Chicory, you're experiencing too much possessiveness with your loved ones. Holly, feelings of rage, jealousy, envy take over often. Large, gives you self-confidence and self-assurance. Mimulus, or people afraid to be alone, lose their job, etc. White chestnut, remedy for those who overthink things. Beech, helps you be more tolerant with people. Upper back. Your upper back holds feelings of guilt you drag along from the past. The most beneficial flowers for this problem are the following. Pine, the main remedy for overcoming guilt. White chestnut, if you can't stop thinking about something that's tormenting you. Honeysuckle, helps you live in the present and leave the past in the past. Rock water, excellent to help you not be so hard on yourself. Mustard, if you're blue and apathetic and find it hard to live in the present. Chestnut bud, ideal to help you stop making the same mistakes and instead learn from your experiences. Lower back. The lower back is where your fear of economic difficulties lies. There are various Bach flower remedies that can help you get over the feelings of fear, selfishness, or injustice that have you worried. Mimulus, the main flower for known fears related to money, work, family, etc. Agrimony, when you're suffering but carrying your fears in secret. Red chestnut, when your excessive worries are about your loved ones. Cornbeam, encourages you and gives you energy to face a situation you don't feel strong enough to face. Gentian, those who are in a season of discouragement or defeat after having gone through a hard time.